Hey, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to delete your Instagram stories. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on your story to go to that particular story which you want to delete, and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right, and then here you can see a delete option on the very top. So just simply tap on delete to delete that particular story, and if you want to save it, just simply tap on save, and you also can copy the link, or you also can share it, or if you want to just delete it, just simply tap on delete and tap on delete to continue. So that's how you can easily delete a particular story on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.